POV, you just turned 18. You get your first credit card.
Powerful.
It feels freedom in your pocket. You spend $500. The bank says, minimum payment due, $25. Only $25? Easy. So you pay the minimum. Next month, the balance isn't $475. It's higher. Interest quietly starts working against you. Now you upgrade your lifestyle. New phone on EMI. Car loan. Buy now, pay later. Your income increases. But your expenses increase faster. You miss one payment. Your credit score drops. Now every loan becomes expensive. Higher interest. Bigger EMIs. More pressure. Your $5,000 debt slowly turns into $8,000. Not because you spent more, but because time passed. Interest never sleeps. But here's the twist. The same system that traps people can make you rich. Instead of paying interest, you earn it. If you invest $5,000 at 10% yearly return, in about 7 years, it doubles. That's compound interest working for you. Most people think money is about earning more. It's not. It's about understanding which side of interest you're on. On one side, debt grows quietly and controls your future. On the other side, investments grow quietly and build your freedom. The system isn't designed to make you poor. It rewards the patient and punishes the careless. The question is simple. Are you paying interest or earning it? Fire.